They came in and say, "Hi, my name is so and so," and she says, "Can you define what condo is?" So she just throws me this question at an open house. I thought it was great. So I'm going to explain to you what condo is. Condo is, let's say we have a piece of land. Condos can be built first floor John, second floor Sue, third floor Shawn, fourth floor Matt. Do you see where I'm going? So you can go up. That means John only owns the cubicle space of the airspace. John, the second floor, owns the space between whose first name was, what was the first name? Let's say John and Shawn. Shawn owns the airspace between the top of the John's ceiling to the top of Shawn's ceiling. Do you see that? So you only own the airspace. Now when we're talking about townhomes, here's a piece of land, townhomes. John owns like that much. Let's say this is John's house, John's townhouse. Shawn cannot build up here. If this happens, this becomes condo. So Shawn can only build next to him, and there's a wall in between, right? And then wall in between, and then Shawn builds right there. So side by side. What that means is that John basically owns that much land. Shawn owns like that much, because they are going to build like this. Side by side, never up and down, like overlapping. Then you gotta co-own that land. That becomes a condo. Common thing between a condo and townhome, they have one wall that's shared at least. At least one wall needs to be shared. If there's no sharing wall, and they own their own land, and there's no wall in between, then these become single family homes. John's single family home and Shawn's single family home. Hopefully that was helpful. Here's another guitar.